Hello, guys, and how are you, everyone? I hope it is a sunny weather in Florida right now, and I hope everyone is doing good and they are in pink of health. So, today I'm back with another video which is going to help your business to scale it up to more additional revenue of 10 to 15%. And this is the whole M10 automation that I've built it for you. This is actually a lead qualification and a nurturing system using a GoHighLevel, an AI calling system which is VAPI, and also using Twilio to send SMS. So let's get started into this video, and I'll highly recommend you guys to see my previous videos and subscribe to the channel as well. So let's get started, and this is actually going to be a packed video with a lot of value. So take a pen and paper and get started. So let's start with the video. You can see there are three different workflows over here. This is the first one, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay. So when you see inside this workflow, you can see it starts with a submission of a form where you can submit a form and you can add all your different details over here. And once you submit the form, it goes into a high level. Your high level account is go high level, and then you need to make sure you need to add it into opportunities where you need to add your main differences, like it can be follow up or a new lead. Okay, once you do that, you can actually go into a different form where all this data has been captured, and once it has been done inside the go high level, it is going to go into a loop. Once it goes into a loop where you can see for my SQL4, you can just see it over. I'll open it up. Wait a minute. Before that, let's go into this loop one. I'll show you that first. So once you understand that once your account on high level has been updated correctly, that there is a new lead which has been captured by the Google form, sorry, on the form that you have submitted on N10, you can actually visit this. You can actually visit this. Yes, okay. This is my SQL. Wait a minute. This is the loop which I was talking about. Yeah. This you can see batch size is one, where batch size one simply means that we are going to target one lead which has been came inside the go high level, and then you need to go my SQL4. You need to add your credentials by clicking on that. I hope you know that till now. You can select an option where it is select, don't change anything. For Q1, limit is 1, and from operator, you need to add equal to a phone number that you have got from your Go High level. Okay, you need to add it over here on your two-year phone number, and once you have added that, it goes into an if node where we have to contact that. Actually, you can see double question mark zero. So double question mark zero means it has not sent any kind of an SMS to the lead. If it sends any SMS, it's going to be double question mark one over here. If it sends two SMSs, it's going to be double question mark two. So maximum number of SMS that we can send to a lead is five, which is five follow-ups that we can do it. Okay, just remember, it's going to do five follow-ups only, and after that, it's going to stop. If you want to increase that follow-up range, you need to rewrite that 5 into 10, 15, whatever you want. So once you go into your Tulio, after that, you can actually get your credentials over here. You can add your phone number, and you can type message over. Are you interested in the automation of WhatsApp workflow? You can write whatever the hell you want. Okay, I'll just increase this up, expand this. You can write this, and this message that you have written over here. Yeah. This message that you have written over here is going to be sent on the SMS to the lead by a Twilio phone number. Okay, you can just adjust it whatever you want, and then for your SQL4, you can just reconnect this to a loop where all the system keeps on running continuously. And once it has been done, we can actually send all the system remains same from here. You can actually I cannot add another schedule trigger over here because in only or on form submission over here, because in each workflow you get only one. So this one is same as before, but you can see there is only difference is you have a VAPI calling HTTP request. Okay, yeah, you can see a VAPI calling HTTP request over here, and you had a Twilio HTTP request over here. In this first workflow that we see on seen over here, it is only specifically done for sending a SMS to a new lead, which comes to the form that it has been submitted. And this is the second workflow, guys. In this, You call that lead and you're going to ask them like, hey, are you interested in this service that we are providing? You can just go into this VAPI. I'll show this it real quick. The method is post. You can use this URL. It is generic header auth, and you need to add your credentials of VAPI. Just make sure you have toggled on the header because the content type is JSON slash application, and the body, the send body is on using JSON. You can actually write everything inside it which you have got over here. This is the whole detailed prompt that you need to write over here. That is expression. You can just drag and drop from the previous node so that you can get it done over here. So if you have got this correctly, VAPI is going to call them and it's going to go into SQL 4, and then the loop begins again. So if the lead is interested, it's in your GoHighLevel, it's going to show new lead. And if it is interested, it's going to go into opportunities where the lead is going to show as interested. But if it is not interested, then in the same opportunities in the GoHighLevel, it's going to go into not interested. It's very simple. And this is the last actually workflow where from VAPI you get the stats of the call, what the AI has exactly spoken, so that you understand what is going on inside the calling system. You can put your header and values, and you need to put the whole summary. You can drag and drop from the VAPI itself because VAPI provides a perfect summary for it. And we use OpenAI's model over here because OpenAI GPT-4. Actually, you can use this because you can use this prompt. Let me, yeah, I hope you can see it right now. This is the whole prompt that you can write it over here specifically, and you can put it inside it or you can adjust it according